Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great and amazing. And in today's video we are not going very heavy, it's a very light video where I'm going to show you guys that what did I buy from the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. So I haven't bought much, but I have bought moderate amount of items for myself from Nykaa. And yes, that's pretty much what I'm going to share with you guys, and without further ado, let's dive into this video. So these are the items that I bought from Nykaa guys, and I kept them in a basket so that they are a little convenient for me to show them. And the first item that I'm going to show you guys is these sheet masks, and these are from Nykaa itself. And I got 10 sheet masks basically, but I've used some of them ever since I got, and I actually think I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've used 3 sheet masks, and yeah, so I actually got one of every type of sheet mask available. So I've got this tea tree one. So basically I got for moisturizing, hydrating, brightening my skin sheet mask, and actually for the youthful one as well. So yeah, sheet masks are very important. So the next item that I got for myself is this. So this is the Nykaa Buff Master Silicone Brush Cleaner. So I think this is something that you must have with yourself if you are somebody who does a lot of makeup, because not cleaning your brush is like a bad habit guys, so don't do it. And yeah, so this is how it looks. So this is nice. I haven't used it yet because I just got it a day before, and I would try and see whether it works nicely or not, but I think it will be good. Yeah, I think I've bought a lot of items from Nykaa itself because it's Nykaa Sale, so therefore their items will be obviously cheaper than the other items. Okay, so I got actually this the eyeliner. This is in brick red color, I guess so. Yeah, let me just see. I actually bought it for brown color, but it's a brick red color, so I'm not very satisfied with this one. But I already opened up the seal, so there was no use returning the item back, and I thought that maybe I would just include it somehow in my makeup. I don't know how, but okay, I'll try. But the color is not that nice. I thought it will be like pure brown color. Brown eyeliners look really nice, but it is not. It's more of a brick red color, and I do not actually like it. Although I don't use a lot of falsies, that is the false eyelashes, but whenever I use them I have hard time with the glue, because at times it comes out too much, at times it does not come at all. So then I found out this one is from the Pack brand. So the name of the brand is Pack, and it's the Lash Fixer eyeliner adhesive. Oh sorry, it's the Lash Fixer eyelash adhesive. And why did I like it? Because it's like this. It has a brush in it, and this is awesome. So besides the glue, I got these as well. So this is again from Pack. I think these are really nice and falsies because they are not too much. They are very I would say for the daily purpose. They are not heavy, they're not light, they are moderate, and I just want lashes like that. This one is from a brand named Cocoon, and this is a protective hair serum with argan and vitamin E. I've not used anything from this brand beforehand, and this is like a very new brand to me. I've never ever heard of Cocoon as a brand itself. If you guys have heard it or you have used this particular product, please let me know that in the comment box down below, because I don't know how it's going to be for my hair. But the serum is actually a protective hair serum, something that you could apply it on your hair before you style it, or you could just leave it in your hair as well. So that's your choice if your hair is dull dry like mine. So this one is going to be really beneficial, I suppose. But okay, I've not yet tried it. I got the product yesterday only, so okay, I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna tell you later in this month that how the product was. Okay, now the next item which I have is the one I wanted to buy for so long, but somehow I was postponing it. Also guys, there are a lot of products that I have not bought this time because I was thinking of buying, but then every time I used to go online, I used to think, okay, I'm not gonna do this, I'm not gonna buy it right now, I'm gonna buy later. And I ended up doing the entire shopping 15 minutes before the sale was going to end. So precisely I did the shopping at 11:45, and this is all what I could get. And the product that I'm talking about is this. So this is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I haven't used a liquid highlighter like in ages. I've never ever used a liquid highlighter, to be true. This one is in the color, I don't know the color. Let me just see. It's glazed bronze. I think this will go good with my skin. I have not yet opened the seal as well to use any one of them, but surely I'm going to show you guys in another video that how the product turned out. Yeah. So the exciting thing I got for myself was this. So this is a Unicorn Potion nail paint, and I'm also applying this nail paint color currently on my nails, and this is super nice. I love this nail paint, guys. If you get a chance to buy this, do buy it. It looks adorable. I also got this one. This is from Faces Canada, named Splash. The color is like, I don't know, I would say it's a greenish color. Besides, I would say the color is greenish, but I would like to tell you the precise name, which I'm not able to find out right now. Yeah, the name is Linty and the number is 45, so it's more of a green, I would say a pastel green, and yeah, it's a pastel green color, but I love this nail polish. This one is really nice. Okay, the next item that I've got is this one. So this is by Regulars. I've been using Maybelline concealer like for a long time now, and this is like you must have in your makeup kit. Yeah, this is essential. So I got this, and I got it in the shade Sand, because that's my shade, guys. Now the next items and the last items that I have for you guys is the lipsticks. Okay, so one of these lipsticks I've already used in one of my photos. If you're not guys following me on Instagram, you can always do over here. So this is my Instagram handle, but this lipstick is Game On, and this is more of an everyday shade. So if you're somebody who goes to office or college and you want some light shades on your skin, so this one is super good. You can see the color, and the smell is like that of a cookie. I love it. I love this lipstick. I'm actually applying this lipstick every single day ever since I have received it, and it's great. And next is from my favorite brand, which is Faces Canada, and I've got a lot of these lipsticks, and I just wanted more neutral shade, more shade. I was just looking for a shade which is more everyday kind of shade, because all the shades that I have from Faces Canada are more dark. They are like very intense, and those are the shades that you could actually wear to a party or to a date night, something like that. So I wanted something very neutral, and so I got this. And let me tell you the shade. The shade is Buff Nude, and the number is 05. And yeah, this is the shade. This is nice. So I can show you the shades, all the shades that I've got. So I think they are pretty much closer to each other, and yeah, but this one is more on the darker side, and I usually don't use this one. Okay, so this was it, guys. This is what I've got for myself from the Nykaa sale. I'm also going to link the prices of the product down in the description box, so you can just go and check. And the overall price of my entire sale was like 4,800 or 900, I don't know, but it was definitely over 4,800. And yeah, that's pretty much. Also guys, leave your comments below that whether you like this video or not, so this way I will get to know that whether you like this type of content or not. And do make sure that you subscribe to my family, because it's amazing here. We show a lot of love to each other, and I really want you to be a part of my family. And this was Shivani saying, and I'm signing off. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.